Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Perkins. I'm the head of software division now. Now I'm going to introduce our new experience of VMS VAST 2. This is VAST. It has been our VMS for over 8 years. And more projects has used VAST. And according to the project experience, we could conclude that VAST had 3 advantages. The first one is rich functionality. We have compared with some first-tier VMS and found that we could comparable to the professional version of their VMS. So I think that means VAST is capable to be used in SME project. The second one is good performance. We have also compared with other VMS in the real project, and we found that the decoding and the recoding performance of VAST is about twice of some first-tier VMS. So that means you could use less expensive hardware to achieve the same purpose. The third one is stable. Many projects adapt VAST as their VMS, and the camera count is range from hundreds to thousands. And the spatial education project has over 30,000 cameras in the system. So that means VAST is very suitable for critical mission project. So with these 3 advantages, we are thinking about what's the next step for VAST. Okay, this guy is called Mark Anderson. He invented Mosaic, the world's first browser. And he has a company called that owns the Netscape browser. You may have heard of that. He is now the VC in Silicon Valley. So in year 2011, he has an article on Wall Street Journal. The title is called "Why Software is Eating the World." He thinks more and more human tasks will be replaced by software due to cost issue. And we are seeing that it's happening now. And he's mentioned in the article that all kinds of software should try to improve themselves and provide better performance and better experience. So because that already have a good performance, so we think the next step should provide with a better user experience. So that's why we deliver VAST 2. So from the UI, you can see the VAST 2 is much beautiful, much intuitive. And after we redesign the UI, now user is much easier to find the function they need. Okay, as we think, VAST 2 could deliver 4 advantages. The first one is easy installation. We know there are many tasks to be done during system setup. You have to find camera, add a camera, set up recording schedule, set up recording paths, configure camera, blah, 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 many things. And you have to match the whole system's license. So we think we could provide it with a wizard to help you search the camera, add a camera, set a camera schedule, and also after the camera added into the system, you can use our new design UI to configure camera, layout, alarm. And even better, we have integrated license management in the system. So now you could just use several clicks on the CMS to apply all the license for the whole system. So the system will automatically install the license in every VMS. So that would make your work much easier. So with this combined together, we found we could speed up the setup by twice. So that means you need only half the time to install the system. The second is easy to use. If a VMS is hard to use, I think you will expect to hold a lot of training course. Yeah? And if user could not learn well through the training course, then you will get a lot of users code. That means a lot of customer service overhead. Okay? So, we think the significant factor to reduce such kind of costs is to have a very easy to use VMS. We have hired an UX team, and through many methods, they make sure that the design is really good. So from our alpha and beta test, customer feedback, you can see that user really think VAS2 is simple, easy to use, and very intuitive. So let's see some example. Okay, panoramic view in a small video, no problem. Just drag the view cell and enlarge it. Quite simple. Okay, you need to switch one camera to playback. No problem. Just one click. No need to switch between page or even switch between two programs. In just one program, one page. So that's straightforward. Okay, I wish to mark a video, and I hope the system won't cycle the video out. No problem. VAS2 will lock the file automatically for you when you create a bookmark. And you want to export video, okay, just to click. Multiple channel will be exported. And use our new standalone player, you could play these channels synchronously. So, right, very simple. Okay, so easy to use could help you to reduce a lot of cost for training or customer service. The third one is called machine intelligence. We know when something happens in the system, the security guard need to investigate the system and find out the exact time. In traditional VMS, this means to fast forward the video. And the fast forward video means you have to pay high attention and highly focused. So we think some of the text should be shared by machine. That's why we use smart search. You make a region of interest and click search. The system will start to provide you with a possible time point through thumbnail. And we present the thumbnail as a way called most possible friend. That means we will pick the friend that contains most information. For example, a person enter the FOV of the video, you will most times see the full figure of the person. So the security is easy to use thumbnail to locate the time he needs. And click on the thumbnail would start to play back the video. So security guard could use this to double check. Okay, so this is just a start. We provide machine intelligence. I think more and more intelligence will be provided later. And the machine intelligence, I think it could help you to highly increase your efficiency. Okay, the last one is fast integration. We know there are more and more chances for the VMS to integrate with third-party system. In different verticals, retail, banking, transportation, they all need integration. And I don't think that we were possible to provide all this kind of integration. So I think the key is that we have a team that's very fast to respond to the integration request. So we adapt Agile to speed up the process. And we also make the system much easier to add new function. You can imagine that we add a new app in a mobile phone. Each app is independent. So independent means the thing is simple and easy to complete. Okay, in some case, the third-party system must integrate with VAS tools, so we provide it with new and easy to integrate SDK. So the integration speed would be increased. Okay, so let's see two examples. A customer wants us to integrate POS into the system from scratch. So we start to discuss with the person, and the team started development. So within 2.5 weeks, we have a deliverable that could show transaction on video, live and playback. And we could also allow user to use keyword to search for the transaction. The second example is with transportation. The owner wants to see the track of the train. Okay, so we start to figure out the specs and design, verify the whole system. So within a month, we have provided a system that integrate with GPS and Google Map. So now user could see the track of the trains on Google Map and click any point of the track could display playback video. Yeah. Okay, so this kind of fast integration could create more and more project opportunity for you. Okay, so one thing that I don't mention is that VAS 2 has used the same server as VAS 1. So it inherited the same advantage for VAS 1, rich functionality, good performance, and stable. And it also delivers 4 advantage: easy installation, easy to use, machine intelligence, and a fast integration. But do you think that's all for VAS 2? No? Yeah. Thank you. Do you want to see more? Okay, I find a way to speed it up. Okay, more and more function, more and more feature is waiting for you to explore it. So, want to have a trial of VAS 2? Okay, this July 1st, you could start to download VAS 2. In this version, it's fully independent. So you don't have to switch back to VAS 1 for some configuration. All things you can down on VAS 2. Okay, so after this release, we are thinking about what's next. But according to Louis and Shunfu, we know there are many new camera, specific form factor, smart camera. So we will continue to integrate this kind of camera into our system. So this will make a total solution and make more value for you and for us. Okay. I think Videotech camera wish to be the eye of IoT, and the VAS should be the brain connect to this eye. So we will collect all the information from the eye, combine, process, and present to user with very useful information, report, heat map, statistic for age or gender, or maybe you could search through the face or through the LPR number. I think the future will be very bright for VAS2. VAS2, okay? And one more thing, we think it's not very easy to pick up hardware for project. So we will spend more time to certify affordable PC that could run our VAS2. So I hope that could help the project go more smoothly in the future. Okay, this part is for VAS2. Do you have any question about this? Okay, thank you. So I have second part, let's call Vivo Cloud. Let's start from the video.
Do you want to watch your business more easily and be aware of your shop's operations? Now you can have reliable surveillance for your small business. Anywhere you go, day and night, no matter where you are. And connect to multiple locations through your smartphone with Vivo Cloud. It's easy to set up and get started. Start by automatically searching for all connected devices. Vivo Cloud is scalable to suit your business. Its network is expandable for up to 16 devices, including NVRs and cameras. Share devices with specific team members. You can monitor your shop security by sharing access with up to 4 other accounts. Get alerts and quick playback. Respond quickly through your mobile device. Quickly play back suspicious video by accessing edge storage recordings. Cross-platform for easy access. This provides flexible surveillance for your business, no matter if you prefer Mac or Windows. Using a fisheye camera gives you many viewing options. You can also check the status of your NVR. Powerful, connected security for your business. Vivo Cloud.
Okay, thank you. I think the video is quite clear, but I just want to emphasize one thing again, easy setup. Okay, in the past, the NVR connect to Vivo Cloud, you need to use the UI or NVR to do some setting to enable the connection, to set up recording, and then to set up the alarm. But when we introduce camera into the system, we think that user might need only the cell phone to accomplish all the work. So now it's possible for user to use only the mobile app to search camera, enable the service, and configure the SD card recording, configure the alarm notification, all in this application. No need for another application. So I think this is a very good concept to make things easier. Okay. This time the camera will be supported for 66A, 67A, and 69A. Okay. We have introduced 2 solutions, VAS2 and Vivo Cloud. I think VAS2 is mainly for project-oriented, so you could use in the small to medium scale of a project. But for Vivo Cloud, I think a very small shop or multi-site small shop could use it. And the advantage of Vivo Cloud is that the installation or the setup is quite easy and straightforward. So these 2 solutions are both good. So choose whichever you need. Okay, thank you. Any question? Okay, thank you.